Hello, model car builders. This is the Novice Builder. I hope this video finds you all well and safe. I am sharing a build. This is my 65 Pontiac GTO convertible from AMT. I did this build in a acrylic metallic ice blue. It's what it's called, acrylic metallic ice blue is the color on this. Had some issues. I was still learning how to apply the clear coat, so on one side of this I had a little more clear coat than I wanted. Turned a little white. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Let me adjust this just a bit. There we go. Thank you. But just wanted to share this convertible with you. I don't really like convertibles, but I thought I would try it. I did the interior white with the blue color that I mentioned. But frankly, I just really did not like the quality of this kit. The hood is warped. If you, I'll show you in a bit, but the steering wheel is warped. There was a lot of fitting issues. If you can see it here, right where the dashboard meets the glass on the inside, you can see there's a little gap in there. And when I test fitted it, well, I put it in the way I thought it should fit on the interior tub, but it really didn't match up well with the body once you put it together and you have that gap. The seat belts also didn't fit very well. There was just a lot of fitting issues. I just didn't feel it was a very good quality kit. Also, the engine on it, this is the tri-power engine that they feature on this car. The tri-power 3 two-barrel carburetors with the little breathers on this model is what they featured. But as far as the engine is concerned, the oil filter and the starter are molded in. They're not separate parts, so it's all just two halves, and the oil filter and the starter are molded in. I really didn't like that. I tried to paint them as best I could, but that just seemed kind of cutting corners as far as I'm concerned. If you look at it from the top, I don't see. There, you can see it. There's steering wheel is all warped. That's the way it came in the kit. As I mentioned before, the seat belts didn't fit very well. The hood, don't know if you can see it here, forgive me, but the hood is warped. There's an big indentation right here on the hood. So just didn't like the quality of this kit. I tried to do the best I could. But sharing that with you in case you pick up this kit. Let me know if you have the same issues or if yours was better. Went with these thick spoke rims. It has some red liners, but frankly I wasn't going to use a good set of red liners on this kit, so I kept the red line tires, and I'll probably use them on another build, I'm sure. But I like the model of the car, the 65 GTO. It's a good looking car. It's try to do the best I can to dress it up, but here again you can see I went with the white interior and the black as far as the floor mat or the carpet on the bottom. Dressed that up as best I could. I don't recall, it may have had some decals for the gauges and such, but by the time I got to that point I was just kind of disappointed with this kit and didn't want to use those decals. Maybe I think what I recall, because this build is from some time ago, that I was just going to keep them and use them maybe on another build. I have the Revell 66 GTO that I just found again, so I may use those decals on that particular build. But anyway, this is the engine compartment. It's the tri-car, but very basic. Not much going on in there. It's a tri-carb with the little breathers that they did, and the gold. I painted the carburetors. Forgive me. Painted the carburetors gold, as you can see there. So, wanted to share, give you my observations. Wasn't, as I said, wasn't impressed with the quality of this kit, but it didn't come out too bad. I like the color. I was still experimenting at this point. I recall a little more with acrylics and different clear coats. Not, I don't recall exactly which one I used clear coat on this, but some spots I just had it on a little too heavy, and it turned white. It didn't dry clear, so it may have been a clear coat I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. But since then, I've been using a Revell clear coat, and then a different clear coat, a low odor, low fume clear coat that I purchased also. So let me know what you think, observations, thoughts. If you have the same issues with the kit, would be interested to know. And I thank you very much. Hope everyone is safe, and we will talk soon.